Hi guys, I am Max. Welcome back to my channel, Yours Helper. With new English class. In my previous video, I told you about the English language rules. So in this video, I will tell you about the English grammar rules that will be helpful to you learn English grammar. So let's start. Tip number 1. Make a commitment. Learning English grammar needs a lot of motivation. Once you're ready to begin studying, stick by it until the end. Tip number 2. Keep a grammar book at your disposal. Keeping an English grammar book will allow you to receive that you have learned in English class, as well as force you to learn grammar as often you as can. Number 3. Utilize a grammar application. Nowadays, everyone has a smartphone. Make use of it. Download a dictionary app and a grammar app. You can use it while communicating in your free time. Tip number 4. Practice every day. One of the best ways to improve your grammar is to solve as many exercises as possible. Scott, intensive English courses will expose you and encourage you to use correct grammar through various upbeat and efficient activities. Your teacher will also help you to determine some of the rules behind the grammar before confirming your answer and explaining in detail to you. Don't forget to take notes during classes and do all your homework. Tip number 5. Learn new words. Daily encourage her upper intermediate students to learn as much vocabulary as they can to be used both for speaking and writing activities. These pictures show the students doing vocabulary revision. Together, they receive pronunciation and meaning of new words and then they have to use them in their conversations. Keep a notebook for new words. Every day, everywhere, you will see new words. When you write them down, you have a record of them that you can use again. Set a target of yourself to learn and use 10 or 20 new words every day. Number 6. Read more in English. This is one step you can't skip if you want to get better at grammar. Reading helps to see how the grammar works. Choose something that you are interested in. Read about it. Find books, magazines, and newspaper articles that suit your current level of English. You will find new words every time you read. You will start to understand the tone of the writer and how they deal with grammar concepts. Whenever you find something that seems different to you, Google it or ask your teacher. Indeed, when you grammatically incorrect and correct sentences could sound straight to your ears. Tip number 7. Listen in English. Don't think of learning English as happening only in the classroom. You can learn English all day, every day by looking at and listening to what is happening around you. On the street, on the bus or train, in the supermarket, keep your mind, ears and eyes open and you will be amazed how much English and the culture of people using it you will pick up. Tip number 8. Watch English movies or TV series. Watch English movies and TV series with subtitle. Don't watch with no subtitle if you want to learn English grammar. Note the usage of language, tenses, subjects and verbs. The 3 areas people usually miss up with. So, if you have a great desire to learn English grammar, use these tips and you will succeed soon. And best of luck. Thank you. Take care. We will meet soon in next English class.